Welcome, everyone. My name is JC Hernandez. I'm a product marketing manager at Loop, and I'm thrilled you could join us today as we discuss and highlight the critical role that sustainability plays within the return process. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I wanted to start today's conversation off by talking about the journey of a returned item. Imagine with me for a second that a customer decides an item just isn't quite right for them. So it goes back. It's repackaged, shipped across miles, burning energy, contributing emissions, and then may end up in a place that we don't want it to be, a landfill. Not exactly the happiest of endings, right? But there's more to it than just that. Did you know that 73% of shoppers are actually peeking behind the curtain, looking at your returns policies to see how green you actually are? Yeah, that's actually true. And there's more. A whopping 88% say that if they knew that their returns were handled in an eco-friendly manner, they'd be more likely to hit that buy again button. And let's also not overlook the 56% of customers who are genuinely concerned about the environmental footprint of sending something back. So what's the takeaway from all of this? It's simple but powerful. Integrating sustainability into your returns isn't just good for our planet, it's great for business. It turns out going green can earn you not just good karma, but also loyalty, trust, and yes, even increased sales. As we push forward towards a more sustainable future, remember, it's not just about reducing waste. It's about creating value for our planet, for our customers, and for our businesses. Let's make the journey from return to restock a little greener now, shall we? So when we talk about going green, specifically when it comes to packaging, this can transform your sustainability practices. A significant step we endorse is consolidating returns, which not only decreases the volume of shipments, but also the overall environmental footprint. Imagine the impact. In just last year, we facilitated 7,675 at-home pickups and processed over 991,000 returns through return bars. This approach not only streamlines the return process, but also substantially lowers emissions and waste. Now, moving on to our next crucial strategy, we encourage the reuse of original packaging. It's a simple mantra: pack, reuse, repeat. By reusing packaging, each pound of material, original material, can be reused and reduce your carbon footprint by 427 grams of CO2. This initiative is more than just recycling. It's about creating a sustainable cycle that significantly cuts down waste and emissions. It's a clear win for the environment, demonstrating the power of collective action in making a difference. We also encourage customers to go green throughout the returns process by providing them with notifications, letting them know that they can go green by reusing packaging. Now, when we talk about the real cost of shipping and restocking, it reveals more than just a financial implication. It underscores a significant environmental challenge. Consider this: up to 50% of an item's original value is consumed by shipping, warehousing, and labor costs. Even more so is that 30% of return items can be resold as new, leaving the vast majority in limbo of inefficiency and waste. This is where the concept of resale comes into play. By offering a second life to products that aren't eligible for restocking as new, we're not just embracing eco-friendliness, we're adopting a smart economic strategy. Resale goes beyond mere waste reduction. It's a thoughtful approach that benefits our planet and our bottom line. After all, waste harms more than just the environment. It affects every aspect of our businesses and our collective future. So by embracing resale, that allows us to transform what might have been a loss into a viable opportunity. It's about making proactive contributions to make a more sustainable, economic, viable future. Through this method, we're not only saving resources, but also paving the way for a sustainable model that benefits us all. Now, when it comes to reverse logistics efficiency, reducing our carbon footprint isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Through Loop's innovative reverse logistics, we're not merely streamlining returns, we're redefining them with sustainability at heart. Imagine this: a customer in New York returns an item. Unfortunately, that can't be resold. So instead of sending it across the country back to a warehouse in Texas, we utilize dynamic routing to send it to a recycling center in New Jersey. This minimizes carbon emissions by cutting down unnecessary travel distances and ensuring that products are handled in the most eco-friendly way as possible. Dynamic routing represents a pivotal shift towards more sustainable practices. By intelligently directing returns to locations like regional warehouses, resale partners, or donation centers, we're not just reducing shipping costs, we're actively contributing to a greener planet. This approach allows for the return of drop-shipped items to their origins, directing popular returns to areas where they're in demand, and ensuring out-of-season and damaged goods find their second life through recycling or refurbishment. With Loop's dynamic routing, the journey of every return is optimized for both the environment and efficiency for your operations. It's about making each return count towards a better, more sustainable future for all of us. Another smart approach to returns is Loop's Keep Item feature. In 2023, we changed the game by allowing over 1.1 million items to be kept by shoppers, leading to an impressive $9,864 in average annual shipping cost savings for our brands. This isn't just about cost savings. It's a leap towards sustainability and deepening customer loyalty. Choosing not to return items reduces your carbon footprint and streamlines operations by eliminating unnecessary warehouse stops, going straight from the customer to their next destination. It delights customers, giving them the choice to keep or donate items, fostering a stronger brand connection. The Keep Item feature is our commitment to a greener, more efficient returns process, enhancing customer satisfaction and aligning with eco-conscious values for a brighter, more sustainable future. So, as we recently celebrated Earth Day last month, it's the perfect moment to reflect and reimagine your return strategy. Loop is here to guide you through this transformation with innovative features designed to enhance the sustainability of your returns process. Our tools are not just about minimizing waste. They're about maximizing opportunities, turning returns into profit, and supporting a circular economy. By integrating secondary resale channels, we empower you to convert potential waste into revenue, prevent unwanted items from contributing to landfill volume, fostering a more sustainable circular economy model, and significantly reducing your carbon footprint. But the benefits go beyond environmental impact. Embracing sustainable returns practices aligns with your company's sustainability goals, offering a more powerful narrative to share with your customers. This means that by enhancing the sustainability of your returns, you're not only taking strides towards your environmental targets, but also strengthening your brand's appeal and customer loyalty. So let's talk a little bit about Loop. Loop stands at the forefront of returns and the post-purchase solutions for e-commerce brands, deeply committed to transforming product life cycles with the planet in mind. Powering over 3,500 e-commerce brands, we offer features designed to make returns as green as possible. Through secondary resale channels and our innovative solution suite, we enable brands to not only achieve significant savings, but also contribute positively towards environmental sustainability. For those brands already on a sustainable path, partnering with Loop reinforces your efforts, aligning with our shared mission to minimize waste and protect our planet. In today's retail landscape, the sustainability of returns processes is not just a preference, it's a necessity. At Loop, our innovative partnership with our resale partners exemplifies how we transform the challenge of returns into an opportunity for revenue and sustainability. Now, let me explain how that works. Products that are returned, whether due to minor damages, manufacturer defects, or simply being out of season, often face the bleak prospect of being disposed. However, through our system, these items don't just go back to a warehouse to pile up. Instead, they're automatically routed to our resale partners, who specialize in refurbishing and grading these products to their highest potential, before listing them on a fully branded resale storefront. From there, these like new items are sold, not only recovering revenue, but also reducing waste. This process is streamlined and efficient. For example, a product with a small snag or a stain which can't be sold as new is now a candidate for resale rather than being disposed. This also applies to excess inventory that exceeds demand due to overestimation or unforeseen market shifts. Even demo products used in showrooms find new homes instead of becoming wastes. Moreover, with our collaboration with partners like Happy Returns, this process becomes even more sustainable. Through Loop and Happy Returns, we offer a box-free, label-free return experience at return bars. This initiative significantly cuts down our packaging waste and simplifies the returns process for shoppers, making it not only environmentally friendly, but also exceptionally convenient. Our approach aligns with consumer expectations. Remember how I said earlier, a staggering 73% of shoppers review retailers' return policies to gauge their commitment to sustainability. And 88% of them are more likely to shop again if eco-friendly return options are available. This is a clear indication that sustainable return processes are not only good for the environment, but also enhance customer loyalty and brand perception. By partnering with Loop and our resale partners, retailers can divert products from landfills, turn what would be waste into profitable a branded resale opportunity, and provide a seamless experience that meets the eco-conscious standards that customers expect today. Loop's integrations with resale partners allows us to not just handle returns, but to redefine them, making a substantial impact on how retail operates in a circular economy. It's about taking products that once had no place but the trash and giving them a new lease on life, benefiting both you and your business. Now, let's explore a real-world example of how Loop's advanced returns management system transforms the customer experience and boosts revenue. Monos, a premium travel and luxury company known for its commitment to quality and sustainability, has quickly become the only climate-neutral certified luggage brand. Their philosophy, less is more, is not just about design. It extends to their sustainable business practices. Monos offers high-end luxury luggage at a fraction of the price, making quality travel goods accessible to all. Initially, Monos managed their returns manually. This process was not only time-consuming and costly, but also very unsustainable. The manual system led to customer dissatisfaction due to delayed returns and rigid return policies that offered little flexibility. Furthermore, Monos lacked valuable data on the environmental impact of their returns, a crucial aspect for a brand so focused on sustainability. That's when Monos turned to Loop. Through our insights tool, Monos gained access to detailed data around return reasons and customer behaviors, enabling them to fine-tune their operations and better understand their environmental footprint. Mike Wu, Director of Customer Happiness at Monos, noted, Loop supports our sustainability efforts significantly. Being climate neutral certified and members of 1% for the Planet requires accurate data to track and offset our carbon footprint. Loop provides that reliability. One of the standout features that have revolutionized Monos' approach is our instant exchange feature. This feature allows Monos to offer risk-free exchanges by placing a hold on the customer's credit card until the return item is received. It's not only boosted Monos' revenue retention by 23% annually, but also enhanced customer loyalty and reduced the time to next purchase. Furthermore, our Shop Now feature has turned returns into additional revenue opportunities. By allowing customers to browse Monos' entire inventory for exchanges, we've facilitated an average upsell of $21 per return. This seamless process not only meets customer expectations for convenience, but also aligns with Monos' upscale brand image. After integrating with Loop, Monos saw an immediate improvement. Their returns process transitioned from manual to automated, greatly enhancing customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. This shift not only preserved revenue that might have been lost due to refunds, but also aligned with Monos' operations with their core values of quality and sustainability. Thanks to Loop's comprehensive features, Monos now enjoys a flexible, data-driven return experience that elevates their customer service to new heights, all while staying true to their commitment to sustainability. Increased customer satisfaction and enhanced environmental accountability are just the beginning. Mike Wu sums it up best. We're thankful for the Loop team for supporting us in any way possible to grow and scale our business. Let's unite in leveraging Loop solutions to make sustainability a foundational element of your returns process. Together, we can transform returns from a necessary cost into a strategic advantage, driving both our businesses and our planet towards a brighter, greener future. Thank you.